clearly from the first minutes physically. Thus far still, the game takes another shot.
Yeah, it's me.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has extended the flash flood warning for northwestern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, southwestern Repeats Parish in central Louisiana, Alton Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northeastern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southeastern Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana, until 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:08 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Oakdale, Kinder, Oberlin, Glenmora, Elizabeth, Reeves, Mitty, Pitkin, Sugartown, Dry Creek, Grant, LeCompte, Alton Parish Airport, Bond, Beaver, Harmony, LeBlanc, Forest Hill, McNary and Union Hill. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.